Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. It's a beautiful day here in Cape Town and I'm so excited to be back. We are here for the week and I thought it would be nice to take you along for the week and show you how we spend our week in Cape Town. It's time for a new baby, babe. We need a new one. That one just left us. You need to give him one more. Hello. How are you? Guys, look where's my look. Do you guys see? Lucky, where are you? Where are you? I don't know where Lucky is. That's right! Happy Sunday. We just went to go get ice cream because Luca wanted some, and I got me the, I think it's a chili choc crush or something at KFC. I'm not a chili or spicy food type of girl, but curiosity. Dis net uit nuuskierigheid uit wat ek vir my gekoop het. So, ek hoop dit is nie 'n sterkie want ek kan nie. I suppose it's a chocolate milkshake, but there's a kick. Somewhere along the line, there's a really nice kick. But it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not that spicy. I know you can request more chili or syrup or whatever if it's not spicy enough. But for me, this is, it's nice. Ek het my hare met die kleinste rollertjies ingedraai. Het lyk ek het 'n perm.
Nee, nou lyk dit sy's ingerol vir Williston.
guys, it's Monday, it's a new week, and I hope you guys don't let it fall. And I hope you guys will have a wonderful week. We just had lunch. We plan on breakfast, but we just had lunch. Be careful, baby. So we're off to the beach now because Luca wants to go to the beach. So we are going to the beach. Dit is woensdagoggend. Ons gaan vandag mainly die winkel se aankope uitsort, ons bulk orders, as ook ons vis. So ons het 'n besige dagie. Ek gaan vir julle saamvat so ver as wat ek kan. Want dit loop by ons so die wat toddlers het, weet dit is chaos hier buite met 'n toddler as jy jou errands of jou goedjies wil doen. So kom saam en ek hoop julle geniet die vlog nog so ver en happy Wednesday! awesome?
Yes. It's awesome.
It is awesome. Wow, that was a nice car, wasn't it?
Super fast.
It was. Morning, it is 5 to 9. I have a dentist appointment at 9. Am I the only one who is nervous and anxious when it comes to going to the dentist? Because ek is always a bit of my sceneries. So I have 5 minutes to spare, but luckily it's just in the next road. So come to the dentist with me. Hey guys, so I'm back from the dentist. Got a prescription and a lot of what to do, what not to do, what I should have been doing. So yeah, I have to be back, unfortunately. I'm gonna make an appointment. I have to be back, and then they're gonna do either an extraction or a root canal, but they have to do 2, and they have to do a filling as well. So a lot of work to do, but yeah, for now we just have to fix everything inside my mouth before they can start working. So I have to get some antibiotics and some calcium, vitamins, and I have to start a whole lot of things. Oh, die mannery boer stop! Wam! Dis 'n stopstraat! Ooh, die Kaapse messe en die patrails. So yeah, long story short, I need to get root canals 2 or extractions, and then I need to get a filling as well. But I have to come back because there's no time to do it today. Anyway, let's go have a nice cup of tea and regret it in a few minutes because dan gaan we begin pyn. Hopefully Luca is still sleeping. Yeah, so let's get on with this day. Friday morning and we are on our way home. We are busy packing and getting ready to travel back to California, and I'm excited to get home and just to sleep in my own bed and just be around my personal space. So thank you for spending the week with me in Cape Town. let's get done and hit the road. And if I am not coming by later to say bye, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog this week, and thank you for being here, thank you for watching. And if you want to subscribe yet, hit the button and become part of the family. See you in my next one.